Hello, thank you for checking out A1 Math, and today we're looking at finding the mean, median, mode, and range. So let's get started. Okay, so here's the data set, 2, 6, 4, 2, and 1. The first thing I recommend doing is putting the numbers in order. And you can use the numbers that's in order for all four of these. Okay, so it says here the mean of the data set is the average of the data set. Add all the numbers and divide by the number of numbers. So what we're going to do first is add all the numbers. So we're going to take 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 4 and plus 6. All right, and when we add all those numbers, we get 15. Okay, the next step is divide by the number of numbers. So there's 5 numbers here, so we'll do 15 divided by 5. And that gets us 3. So the mean is 3. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is find the median. The median of a data set is the middle number when the numbers are listed in order. So we've already got them in order. What we want to do is pick the number in the middle, which is 2 here. So the median is 2. Now, I'm going to show you a separate data set that's separate from what we have here. So I'm going to change the colors. So this is what you do if you have, let's say, here you have 5, but let's say you had 4. We're just going to use 1, 2, 3, and 4. So there's no number in the middle because you have an even set of numbers. If you have that, what you want to do is take your 2 and your 3, the 2 numbers in the middle, add them together, and then divide by 2. So you take 2 and 3 and divide it by 2, you get 2.5. Okay, so anytime you have an even number of data set, just take the 2 numbers in the middle and then divide by 5. By 2. All right, let's go on to the mode. The mode is the number that occurs the most often. So you just find the number that occurs the most. So in this case, it's 2. So the mode is 2. Okay, now it's important to know that there could be more than one mode, or there could be no modes at all. So if you had another number that occurred 2 times, then that would be 2 modes there. All right, the range. The range is the difference between the greatest and the least number. So the greatest number here is 6, and the smallest number is 1. And when we subtract those 2, we get 5. So the range is 5. Okay, and that's finding the mean, median, and mode. Let's take a look at another example. Okay, so remember the first thing you want to do is put everything in order. So I'm going to put this data set in order, and it's going to be 2, 3, 3, 4, and 8. Okay, and they kind of lead you on how to do the mean here. What you want to do is just take these numbers, and you can write them in here: 2, 3, 3, 4, and 8. All right, and next thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and add them up. And when you add them up, you should get 20. All right, and then when you divide by 20 here, you'll end up with 4. So your mean is 4. Okay, the next thing we'll do is the median. And the median is going to be the number in the middle. So the number in the middle here is 3. This is an odd number, so you don't have to worry about taking the two numbers and dividing. All right. The mode is the number that appears the most. And again, the 3 appears the most. So that's 3. Keep in mind that you may not have a mode, or you may have more than one mode. And then finally, the range. The range is going to be the greatest minus the smallest. So you go to 8 minus 2, which equals 6. So the range is 6. Okay. That's 2 examples on how to find the mean, median, and mode, and the range. I want to thank you for checking out A1 Math. Have a nice day.